Hi guys, today I show you how to transfer the data iPhone to Android. This one Samsung Z4 and that one iPhone. I show you iPhone 13. Okay, see iPhone 13 Pro. Okay, now I will start the transfer the data. Agree. Then next. Here they asking Wi-Fi password. Now I will put Wi-Fi password. Done. ഇന്നലല്ല This one not very easy. You say you want to see, I do in front of you. I say you.
You use switch, smart switch? No.
No need to use first one. You want WhatsApp. Important thing WhatsApp.
And message.
Yeah, message. So smart switch you can transfer your contacts picture like this. Other thing Okay. Here I will put your Gmail. What the
This will take time. This one you have to sign for their plan. They have monthly plan, 89 ringgit. New network,
XOX.
XOX.
Yeah, I saw that. See XOX. The plan I think 100 something.
89.
89.
Unlimited data, unlimited call, unlimited hotspot.
But only for local.
But
Yeah.
XOX new network, is it?
Yeah. I think they will do partnership or something. Maybe I think he doing partnership. That's why.
Celcom. He said same as Celcom. I'm not sure. बिल्कुल लगेगा SC two-way lalu yang lainnya
Why gini gini?
Give me a chair, brother. Give me a chair.
It's very slow because they have inside 16 or 17 GB data. So that's why very slow. They will take 1 hour, I think. See, 2% they will count.
After this, it will transfer here. This will take another long time.
No take long time. If this one transfer, I told you this cable only for this thing only.
Yeah.
When
I
finished,
also use this cable.
every cable is not same.
Oh. You
Every
mean I
cable-
use the charger cable?
Yeah, every cable is not same. Some cable have, the voltage ampere.
Okay.
Okay, the data one is very high quality. The cable, which one you want to use for data transfer.
Okay.
So that's why they're taking. If you use the copy cable or the phone cable, they will not transfer quickly.
Charger cable?
Yeah, it's a charger cable. That one they will transfer so slowly.
Okay.
Now 36.
After 38, it will be fast. I already do since yesterday. Only the cable or battery problem, I don't know. That's why. After 38,
I think so. I don't want to need to charger this phone. For safety, I bring already the power bank.
wireless.
Yeah, but I know this one no need to charging. When this one complete, the data will be transferred already. Maybe your cable have something because that cable you have the charging cable. This is
I use the iPhone Apple charger.
no Apple charger is different thing. The cable is different thing. But if you use the cable from this phone to transfer, no.
You have different cable.
Yeah. This cable, this cable only for using for software or these things. Okay, and this cable we not putting for the charger. See, already we make all together. Finish this one, put back, same place. Charging cable is different.
Charges.
See? Now,
Now it will be fast.
yeah,
After 38.
yeah. Okay, continue to new iPhone. One. Now, just waiting for this one complete the setup. Okay, this one transfer, they're showing this.
Click that now.
Just waiting for this one. I click this one. Okay. Okay. They're showing already continue on your new phone. But only now, just only for waiting here. Your chat already come there, everything come here. Just they will install slowly.
But yeah, you already click this. Then no need to touch. It won't off.
Yeah?
It won't off
Yeah.
because you click already.
Yeah, already I click here, keep on on. They will not turn off now. If you see my channel, they have a lot of videos.
Yeah.
Before I'm not making this video. Now I start to make this video because sometimes I have the online Facebook page also. Some video I put there in my page also. People see also. They're coming sometime in online from my Facebook. Okay, the person who come from online, he forced me. You need to make the video, please. You need to upload because sometimes people not come very far. This one like this, they will go.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Just now. Same. At the beginning it will go fast. Towards the end.
And what
But
happened?
towards the end the battery will finish. But you have wireless, it's okay. If you have wireless,
Yeah.
no problem. I don't have wireless charger. I have one, but when I put it will I think maybe not supported. The wireless charger.
No, this one 77 battery. Maybe that one will be finished. Battery almost will be left like 50 or 60. Yeah, I know. I don't like politician. I like just one time one person only. Okay. In my country, that person is Imran Khan. Maybe everyone, everybody, every person know in the world. It's okay, no problem. About Imran Khan. People like also. Even other these country also people like Imran Khan. So I think who is a good person? You are local. No, they will.
I'm also YouTuber.
You also YouTuber. Wow, nice. Good. This one I am just doing for fun only. Because if I have something knowledge, so I want to give someone.
Mine is monetized channel.
You monetize. You doing only monetizing. Oh, what?
My channel, travel vlog.
Travel vlog.
I do in Malay.
Oh, you do in Milan. I don't. I'm not doing for these things for money.
Just teaching, yeah?
Yeah, I just teaching for some.
Money is here.
Yeah, I have a lot of business here. So sometimes people he want to transfer, he want to do something, but he cannot go. Sometimes he go, but the other person he don't know how to do. He will waste the person time also. Sometimes he lose the data also. No.
This wireless charger won't damage battery much, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
No. But you. Uh, 4,100. Because that one is very fast. Take rest, huh? Take rest. Good. My name? What? Not yet done.
This one close what time? Oh yeah.
10 o'clock.
Huh?
10 o'clock.
How come that lady 1:39
After I sit outside, main entrance.
waiting?
Yeah.
बोली मैंने। This one, let's say in future, because my father's phone, in future, let's say Rosa, you can repair,
Yeah.
no problem. You have the things.
Yeah.
Old phone, still you have.
Yeah. Spare part have.
This one, if can, I want to continue use.
But don't use for vlogging.
Huh?
Don't use for vlogging.
No, vlogging has camera, DJI. This is for, use phone.
Okay.
Organizing.
Yeah. See. This is not very easy. Updating data from iPhone as data. You can.
But you can.
Now you can. Now can disconnect the cable, but you cannot use for WhatsApp.
I know.
Yeah. If you say I disconnect the cable, but
I
don't
just do normal calling.
Yeah, don't use for. Okay, like this. Don't open also.
Okay. I just call. Hello. Cak ada mana? Okay. Hang sampai je. 10 sampai KL Central. Lepas tu sebelah baru KL Central. Itu balik sampai nak pergi balik bilang.
This one now done. Now I do next. आ गया. Next. All done. Okay, go here. Okay.
outside no charging.
No need.
Outside no.
आसिफ भाई को ना पैसे ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं सुबह जो है ना मैं अगर आपको भेज दूँगा क्योंकि आज मैं थोड़ा बिजी था टाइम नहीं लगा सुबह इंशाल्लाह ताला बताओ मैं आपको भेज दूँगा तो पैसे ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं आसिफ भाई वो ना पैसे तो ट्रांसफ़र कर मेरा है आज मेरे पास फोन है मेरा कैमरा सुबह इंशाल्लाह ताला मैं आपको और भेज दूँगा
किसी और दे दो Why your friend just didn't say go back or call security? He's still talking.
I'm sorry,
I think finish already. I think finish already. Usually you close 10 or 10:30 like that.
No, yeah, 10:30. But don't worry.
I think finish it.
Before 10:30 is.
Yeah.
This is the last
It's
step.
fast. It's fast.
Yes.
Not like just now.
This is the last step.
Fast. Thank God.
In all lawyer, only have 2% can transfer data iPhone to Android or Android to iPhone. One this person and one have upstairs one Chinese.
Because Android to iPhone easy, but iPhone to Android is very hard. Cannot do it.
Okay.